Thinking of switching from Optus to ALDI Mobile? It's a popular choice for saving money. ALDI Mobile uses Telstra's network and offers competitive prepaid plans. As of October 2025, the process is straightforward and mostly online. First, you'll need to get a port authorization code, PAC, from Optus. You can usually do this through the Optus app, website, or by calling customer service. Once you have the PAC, you can order an ALDI Mobile SIM card online or pick one up at an ALDI store. During the ALDI Mobile order process, submit your PAC. You'll also need to provide ID for verification. ALDI Mobile has expanded its 5G coverage nationwide, matching Telstra's network reliability, and offers plans starting at $15 a month for 10 gigabyte data with unlimited talk text. Keep in mind that porting times can be affected by weekends and holidays. Once you receive your ALDI Mobile SIM, follow the activation instructions included. If you have an eSIM-compatible device, you might be able to activate it digitally. The actual number porting process typically takes 1 to 3 business days, with prepaid accounts often porting faster than postpaid. You'll know the port is complete when your Optus SIM stops working and your ALDI Mobile SIM connects to the network. In 2025, porting success is at 95% of attempts succeed within 3 days. Check for any Optus early termination fees before switching if applicable. Also, switching to ALDI Mobile holds 8% of Australia's mobile market. Overall, expect the entire switch to take 1 to 5 days, from requesting your PAC to full service on ALDI Mobile. Using telco switching apps, the savings can be around $300 per year per user switching to MVNOs like ALDI.